tried calibrating, tried syncing, tried all that fun stuff. Come to find out, you look at this control panel here, there's a fuse right here, and it's for the horn and spray down. And apparently Leeboy has a safety system where if that fuse blows, it will not allow the paver to break up. So now we got our neutral park symbol back, and we're ready to rock and roll.